Hey everyone, it's BJose32 back again. I have an unboxing for you. Take a good look at this abomination because this is the last time you're going to see this mat because I got a package today with a new mat. So I'll open this up quickly with a big package. This package is from Kind of Magic. It's a Canadian magic shop. You can check them out at kwmagic.com. Oh, look at that. The envelope cost them 25 cents apparently. You can't see that, I guess, but it says KW surplus, 25 cents. So in this package I've got a black tally-ho fan back and a bicycle limited edition series 1. These will be for giveaways and our contest prizes. They actually have one or two of these circle backs left, but they're like $100. I thought that was a little bit excessive. And a new mat. Yay. And hopefully it's better than the last one. And it's certainly much bigger than the last one. A little bit bigger. Not too much bigger, but it's bigger. So that's good. In case you're wondering what this is, it's a chessboard. For extra this to make it a little bit better on my bed because the bed is soft. Wouldn't be very good for spreading cards or anything like that if I didn't have a hard surface underneath it. I think I had that upside down. There we go. Anyway, I'll test it out momentarily with a trick for 366 days of cards. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you next time.